Have you ever considered buying a house that needs renovation? There's a certain charm to it, isn't there? The idea of transforming a fixer-upper into a dream home is an enticing one. These homes are like blank canvases, brimming with potential. You have the power to shape and mold them to reflect your personal taste. And there's also the prospect of increased value. With the right renovations, you can significantly boost your property's worth. But how do you fund these renovations? That's where renovation loans come in, and DanTheLoanMan.com is the perfect partner for this journey. Dan specializes in loans for renovations and fixer-uppers, helping make your dream of owning a customized, value-enhanced home a reality. But as with any major purchase, it's crucial to do your due diligence before diving in. It's not just about the surface aesthetics when it comes to renovation, it's about what lies beneath. Picture this, an older home, brimming with character and charm. But beneath that charm may lurk unseen dangers, foundation issues that threaten the very stability of your dream home, outdated electrical systems that could pose a fire risk, or aging HVAC and plumbing systems that could lead to costly repairs. These are not mere inconveniences, they are potential pitfalls that could not only negate any potential profit from your renovation, but also lead to significant financial loss. That's why a thorough inspection before purchasing is not just recommended, it's essential. It's about peeling back the layers, uncovering the hidden truths of a property. And remember, DanTheLoanMan.com is there to guide you through the process, helping you navigate the intricacies of renovation and fixer-upper loans. It's all about knowing what you're getting into and being prepared for the potential challenges. So, how can you protect yourself when considering a house that needs renovation? The answer lies in the key points we have discussed throughout this video. Always remember, a thorough inspection is not merely a suggestion, it's a necessity. It uncovers potential issues that might be lurking unseen. A foundation inspection is usually separate from a typical home inspection, but it's especially worth it on older homes. It alerts you to possible problems with the electrical system, HVAC, or plumbing that could turn your dream renovation into a financial sinkhole. Now let's talk about DanTheLoanMan.com. This is where financial support for your project comes in. Dan specializes in providing renovation and fixer-upper loans. He understands the challenges and rewards of renovating an older home and is prepared to stand with you every step of the way. With careful planning, thorough inspection, and the right financial support from Dan, your renovation project can be a rewarding experience rather than a financial nightmare. You're not just renovating a house, you're creating a home